How's it? Y'all was fucking dying for this inverter story, so there's it here, right? So I built this one here because all the fucking portable ones that you buy from the shop, either the fucking inverter is lacquer and the battery is fucked, or the battery is lacquer and the inverter is fucked. So now I'm going to show you how the fuck to assemble your own thing, but shop around, choose wisely, mothers. So this is a 3 kVA inverter. This fucking inverter is going to power everything in my Posy, except things that have heating elements. Like it can power on the microwave and the air fryer, but I don't use it because the whole aim of this fucking thing is to preserve your battery life. Because when it's not in use, I fucking switch it off. I'm not wasting fucking cycles on my battery, you check? So this is a 3 kVA 24 volt hybrid inverter. Hybrid meaning that you can charge it either via ESCOM power or you can charge it with a solar panel. Always choose a hybrid inverter because you can just take a solar panel and fucking fling it in the grass and just plug it because this thing is portable. So you only fucking need 2 things to make a backup system. You need the inverter and you need the battery. Your Posy has a DB, but if you want to build your own one like mine, you can put in a small DB with a fucking light switch there and you can say come this side. I got my outlet there with my fucking disco light there. 3 kVA 24 volt. The voltage of your inverter must also match your battery voltage. I got 2 12 volt 100 amp batteries because according to fucking Charles Darwin, 12 plus 12 is 24, which will match my inverter. So lithium ion batteries are the best, right? That's about it. But I also saw it get damaged as well. So battery is battery. I noticed that it depends on how you fucking use it. How do you connect 2 12 volt batteries to make it 24 volts? You connect it in series. So in one of the batteries, you join the positive and the negative together. And then on one side of the negative, you're going to run the cable all the way to the inverter. And one side, the positive, you're going to run the cable all the way to the inverter. Look at the fucking inverter. It looks like a sealed component and you don't know how the fuck the cables are gonna go and all. Don't worry, don't fucking panic. They got one screw there and one screw there. Then this cover just comes out like that, you check? If you don't understand any of the terms that I'm fucking talking now, then don't do fuck all. Just fucking shut your ass. See that positive and negative that was coming from the battery? It slots in straight there. It tells you plus and minus. Red is positive, black is fucking minus, negative. And now, you see inside there, that's the 2 screws that you open and close in order for it to be tight. Here now, it says AC input and AC output. It's marked there, L is live, N is neutral. That symbol there is earth, and then it's the same fucking thing. So what does AC input mean? AC input means basically how the fuck are you going to charge the batteries using the ESCOM power. So this is where the ESCOM power goes. So because this one is portable, that 3 wires that you see over there, this brown which is live, the blue which is neutral, and this green which is the earth wire is connected to this plug which is a surge arrestor plug. And I just charge it in any fucking plug point in the Posy whenever I feel like. Now the AC output is this red wire which is live, the black wire which is neutral, and this bare wire which is earth. Is connected to the DB board inside your Posy now, your main earth leakage. So that live and neutral is connected over here on top. And this one switch over here is for the plug. And this one switch is for the light that it's gonna power on. When I wanna charge my inverter, I just take this plug now that's connected to the AC input and just charge it by putting the switch on. And it will charge, but unfortunately it's load shedding, so boo-hoo. I want to use my inverter, I want to use the inverter power, I just say switch it on. Anyway, it shows you your battery level over there, and then it shows you that symbol there to say that the battery is now supplying power to whatever you got connected on the AC output. So you can check now that this thing got power, this plug. Even check my disco light. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Inverter screen shows you every fucking thing. That small bar there tells you how much current you're drawing. So the question is, how the fuck do I power up my old Posy? Very simple. So I go to the DB board, I switch off the main breaker because I don't want to supply the fucking grid my power. Fuck the grid. I switch off the stove because anything that heats up in your Posy consumes a lot of electricity. So the geyser definitely off, right? And I switch off this one plug because I got a big freezer, that's it. I created this plug to plug thing. And yeah, this is how it works. Make sure my switch is off first, because when I plug this here, if I touch the other end of the cord, I'm going to get shocked. Obviously, come on guys. Have it plugged in like that to check. Put that switch on. Once that red light is on, it's supplying power to the plug point all the way back to the DB board. Now if I switch on the lights, it grabs. While this thing is plugged, it's not taking much current because most of the things is off. It's only the TV and the Wi-Fi that's on. And you can check it's plugged there. How to check if your appliance can work on this device is whatever fucking appliance you're using, it must be written how many watts it takes. So if that fucking wattage is less than this 3000 watts, then obviously I can use it. But the question is, how long can it stay on for? Is up to the battery. Relax, fucking